You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x greater than 4. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 3 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 4 over 1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x greater than 4.